Welcome to English class with Miss Faith. Let's learn about food. Repeat after me. Hot dog. Hot dog. French fries. French fries. Pancakes. Pancakes. Bread. Bread. Cheese. Cheese. Salad. Salad. Rice. Rice. Noodle. Noodle. Sandwich. Sandwich. Pizza. Pizza. Speaking practice. Listen and answer. What food do you like? I like hot dogs. I like hot dogs. What food do you like? I like French fries. I like French fries. What food do you like? I like pancakes. I like pancakes. What food do you like? I like bread. I like bread. What food do you like? I like cheese. I like cheese. What food do you like? I like salad. I like salad. What food do you like? I like rice. I like rice. What food do you like? I like noodles. I like noodles. What food do you like? I like sandwiches. I like sandwiches. What food do you like? I like pizza. I like pizza. Let's review. Repeat after me. I like hot dogs. I like hot dogs. I like French fries. I like French fries. I like pancakes. I like pancakes. I like bread. I like bread. I like cheese. I like cheese. I like salad. I like salad. I like rice. I like rice. I like noodles. I like noodles. I like sandwiches. I like sandwiches. I like pizza. I like pizza. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos.